Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello all signs. So, ang tanong natin ngayon sa ating reading, kung ano ba yung totoo nilang intention sa inyo. Okay, so titingnan natin yan ha. Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa ating private reading, just message me po sa akin pong FB page, no? Oh, for more info, ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, and syempre, kung may tanong rin pagdating sa ating Evil Eye bracelet, ito po yung ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet ha. Available siya sa red and black strings and nilalagyan natin yan ng initial ng inyong mga pangalan. Okay? Para kung anong meron dito, yun din ang nakapaloob. Okay? And ito naman ang ating Evil Eye ring. So, yan siya. Okay? And yung ating Evil Eye necklace, hindi ko naman siya suot ngayon. So, yeah, kung may mga tanong po, ha, just message lang po, no? Okay, so, yeah, let's start. So, all signs, what's their true intention? Okay, let's start with you, Aries. Okay, so ano bang totoong intention nung taong iniisip mo ngayon? Anong intention niya? Anong totoo niyang intention? Kung nalalabuan ka, tingnan natin. Okay, anong totoo niyang intention sa'yo? The Knight of Wands. So this person likes you. Ha? Some of them, they just want sex. Okay? Yeah. And the Knight of Swords Universe. Gusto lang nito ng sex. Ha? Yun lang ang gusto nito. And ang nakikita ko kasi hindi rin naman siya talaga into you. Ha? Yung hindi siya talaga 100% nakafocus sa'yo. Pwedeng may mga kausap din tong iba. So, yeah. So, you'll find them aloof. No? Oo, parang hot and cold. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, yun ang nakikita ko. Gusto ka lang nila dahil meron lang silang gustong makuha. Okay, so yun. Next. Taurus. What's their true intentions? Okay. Pagdating sa'yo, Taurus, what's their true intention? Pagdating sa'yo, Taurus placements. Okay. The Sun. Wow. Some of you, this is, Leo. Okay. Oh, wow. The Empress. Handa ka na ba, Taurus? Handa ka na bang bumili ng diaper? Handa ka na ba na, ang tawag dyan, magpalit ng iyong surname kung babae ka? Yes, ang totoong intention ng taong ito is magkaroon ng progress, magkaroon ng anak sa'yo. Okay, yun ang nakikita ko. They're invested. Okay? So, yeah. Minsan nakikitaan mo siya na parang totoo ba yung mga sinasabi niya? Parang ganyan. Okay, yes. Ang nakikita ko dito. Pwede kasing hindi pa niya totally masabi lahat, pero yung totoong intention niya is gusto niya makasama ka habang buhay. Ay, ang ganda nito, Taurus. Okay, pwedeng Leo, pwedeng Taurus, and Virgo. Okay, so, yeah. Next, Gemini. Okay, Gemini placements. Anong true intention ng taong iniisip mo? Pagdating sa'yo, anong true intentions nila? Okay. Okay. The Knight of Swords. And the Seven. Oh. If this is a past person, they want to come back talaga. And they want maybe humingi, no, ng kapatawaran sa'yo. Okay? So maybe may mga regret itong taong to dahil hindi naging maganda yung yung naging decision niya na layuan ka. Okay? So nakikita ko kasi wala siyang matagpuan na katulad mo or mas higit sa'yo. Okay? Yun ang nakikita ko. They still want you though. Okay? The Knight of Swords, this is a fast action, fast communication coming from them. Okay? So, death. Yeah. Well, may pagbalik. Gusto niyang bumalik. Gusto niyang sabihin parang, yeah, nagre-regret ako. Parang ganyan. Okay? I guess, gusto niya makipag-ayos sa'yo. Okay? Next, Cancer. Okay, Cancer placements. So, anong intention sa'yo nung taong iniisip mo ngayon? Anong true intention nila? Totoong intention. Ano ba? Deep, deep down. O, diba? Yeah. Okay. The Four of Cups in reverse. They're open emotionally. Like, they're open. Gusto nila maging open pagdating sa emosyon, or I think they're available pagdating sa emosyon. Okay, yeah, they still want you. Yes, the Seven of Cups in reverse. Gusto na to, magkaroon kayo ng pagbabalikan, magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaayos, parang ganyan. Okay, yeah, the Moon. They're sad, they're confused. Yun nga lang, kasi may panghihinayang rin ako nakikita rito. I don't know, maybe this is your energy. Because some of you, pwedeng water sign din yung person mo. Okay, this is a lot of water. No? Oo. So, maybe this is your energy. So, pwede rin namang vice versa. Okay? Yeah. Open sila pagdating sa emosyon. Gusto ka pa rin nila. I think the Eight of Cups, the Eight of Cups, pwede sabihin natin meron silang gustong i-grow. Okay? I-grow pagdating sa inyong connection. Next. Leo. So, Leo, ano ang totoong intention ng taong iniisip mo ngayon pagdating sa'yo? Anong kanilang true intentions? Okay, what's their true intentions? Sa'yo, Leo. The Four of Wands. They want stability with you. They want long-term connection, relationship with you. And the Two of Swords. Andyan yung parang nagiging indecisive lang sila. I don't know why. Maybe they're just, afraid of making decisions. Kasi andito yung parang silang, fickle, aloof, like hot and cold. But yes, gagawa ito ng decision. So, I think gusto naman talaga nila. Pero sa ngayon, hindi pa sila makapag-decide. Okay? So, yun nakikita ko. In the end, eventually, gagawa rin to ng decision pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Next. Virgo. Okay. Virgo placement. Ano ang true intention ng taong iniisip mo pagdating sa'yo? Anong true intentions nila? Sa'yo, Virgo. The Four of Swords. Planning. Oh, the Two of Cups. Some of you, kung meron ditong separation, sabihin nating parang gusto nila munang mag-grow outside the connection. Parang ganyan. Gusto nila mag-grow outside the connection. And then, bumalik kapag okay na or kapag ready na. Like that. Okay? So, gusto muna nila ng pahinga. Gusto muna nila ng silensyo. Silence, no? Pagdating sa connection, pahinga. Yan, ganyan. Pero I think, nakikita ko naman na kapag ready na siya, pwedeng bumalik. Pwedeng maging kayo. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, there. Next. Libra. Okay. So, Libra, anong true intention ng taong iniisip mo ngayon pagdating sa'yo? Anong kanilang true intentions? Okay. The Two of Pentacles, so they're juggling. No, why? The Page of Swords. Ang dami pa nitong parang inihintay, inaaral. They love you. They love you though. Okay? Mahal ka ng taong to, yeah. I think meron ditong sabihin nating may pagdedesisyon pa itong taong to. They want to to grow muna. They want to be mature pa pagdating sa connection na to, maybe. So, if you find them parang hot and cold, I guess hindi pa sila ready, okay, na makipag-connect sa'yo. Pero, yeah. They want you, they like you, they love you, parang ganyan. Pero parang kailangan muna niyang mag-grow, parang ganun. Parang kailangan muna niyang humanap ng kung ano man dapat ang hanapin sa buhay niya. Okay? So ganyan. Kasi kaya siya nagiging para siyang nagja-juggle. Parang meron pa siyang hinahanap. But yes, nandyan yung love niya for you. Okay, next. Scorpio placements. Okay, so ano yung kanilang true intentions? Okay. Pagdating sa'yo, Scorpio, anong kanilang true intentions? Okay. True intentions. The Ten of Swords universe. They want to heal this. Okay, gusto nilang i-heal ito. Yeah, and the Chariot. Para magkaroon ng pag-usad. Okay? Yeah. A new beginning. Yun ang gusto nilang mangyari, Scorpio. Yes, pwedeng Cancer, pwedeng Air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua, pwedeng Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay? So, yeah. Gustong i-heal yung dapat i-heal. Gustong, parang may kailangan ng alisin, may kailangan ng layuan or i-end para makapag-offer na. Parang ganyan. Okay? Next. Sagittarius. Okay. So, anong true intention ng taong ito? Sag. Okay. Anong true intention nila pagdating sa'yo? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Thank you. Okay. True intention nila sa'yo, Sag. The Ten of Pentacles in reverse. The Five of Cups in reverse. So, parang gusto nito na mag-move on, no? Mag-move on sa bagay na dapat pag-move onan, okay? The Ten of Pentacles in reverse, some of you hindi pa sila ready to settle down with you. Okay? Pero gusto nilang may magkaayos, may ayusin sa connection ninyo. Okay, the Four of Wands is here. Some of you, this is stability. So maybe some of them gusto muna nilang i-fix yung pwedeng pagdating sa kaperahan nila, parang ganyan. Okay? So yeah, the Queen of Wands. Or maybe meron silang gustong i-grow muna pagdating sa kanilang sarili. Okay? So lagyan ng progress, bigyan ng I think parang may mag-develop sa kanila. Parang ganyan. Okay? They're trying to move on. Some of you, kung ito is magkahiwalay. Kung magkahiwalay kayo, gusto nilang mag-move on muna and mag-focus sa sarili. And if ever, kung ito is karelasyon mo, gusto nilang ayusin muna yung kung anong meron sa kanila, lalo na pagdating sa finances. Specific po yun hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Yung stability ang isinisigaw dito eh. Okay? So there. Next. Capricorns. Okay. So, copy rule. Okay, ano ba ang true intention nila sa iyo, Capricorn? What's their true intentions? Okay, the Seven of Swords in reverse and the Five of Swords. What? This is a lot of thinking. Okay. So, I'm seeing here na someone is overthinking. Okay? Meron ditong conflict. So, nakuha ko rito, ang totoong intention niya is to breadcrumb you. Okay? Makuha ang dapat makuha sa'yo. Yeah, the Queen of Cups in reverse. So, this is selfishness. Self-centered. Parang ganyan. Parang ginagawa ka nilang option. Okay? So, wag mo hayaan yung sarili mong ganun. Okay? If, kung nakikita mo itong person na to na parang sila ay hot and cold or complicated, parang ganyan, no? Komplikado, parang ganyan. I think, parang ikaw lang kasi yung nakikita nilang, way, no? Para makatulong rin sa kanila. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, pwedeng air sign to. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay? Next. Oops. Aqua. Aquarius placements. So, what's their true intentions? Pagdating sa'yo, Aquarius, what's their true intentions? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. The Knight of Wands, they are attracted. They want you. Okay? They want to pursue you. Oh, gusto ka nito ipaglaban. Some of you bata to kaysa sa'yo. Oo. Some of you gusto nito ng sex. Yes. Gusto nila nun pagdating sa'yo. Ha? Okay? Yeah. Ooh! Oo. Gusto ka nilang maano. Ha? Ha? Okay? So, yes. Masyadong passionate ito pagdating sa'yo, Aqua, ha? Pwedeng fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Passionate, diba? Next. Okay. Pisces. So, anong meron? Tingnan natin. Ano ba yung kanilang true intentions sa inyo, Pisces placements? What's their true intentions? Okay. Intentions ng mga person ng mga Pisces. Okay. The Two of Pentacles in reversed. And the Two of Cups in reverse. So, ang totoong intention nito is hindi naman talaga ayusin kung anong dapat ayusin. Parang nandito is pwedeng makikita mo yan, ang tawag dyan, parang walang pakialam, no? Parang walang paki. Tingnan natin. Yeah, they're trying to avoid you. Always saying no. Hindi palaging present. Yeah. So, I think they're afraid. Afraid na mag-commit. Afraid na ipakita yung totoong intention nila. Okay? So, sa ganyan, yes, some of them, they're overthinker. Yeah, they're an overthinker. Okay, so nandyan yung pwedeng nasasabotahin nila yung mga dapat na ginagawa or mga plano. Plano pa lang, wala na, sira na agad. Yeah, the world universe. See? Negative thinker. Itong taong ito. So, wala tayong mapapala dito, Pisces. Inuunahan na agad nila yung sarili nila eh. Wala pa man, sira na. Okay, intention nila, gusto nilang, pwedeng maging open or kasi nga parang wala eh. Yeah, they want you. The Ace of Wands. Kaso, para siyang hot and cold. No? Gugustuhin ka, maya-maya hindi. Yeah. You'll find them, aloof. Ganyan. Wala. Pwedeng, ang intention kasi talaga nitong taong to is gustuhin ka, pero parang hindi nila kaya, so they're dropping you. Mas mataas pa yung chance na dinadrop ka nila. Okay? So, because of the what? The world in reverse. This is unfinished business. So, healing is a must. O, diba? It's a must. Kailangan yung healing dito, kung ano man. Yes. Okay? So, yun ang aking nakikita. Para sa inyo all signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye!